State where it has been a busy day for the military court-martial trying some soldiers on different offences. Hours after the trial, the court-martial sentenced Trooper Azuna Madubuchi to death by firing squad for killing the adjutant of his unit, Lieutenant Babakaka Ngogi. Trooper Madubuchi was arraigned for murder after shooting Lieutenant Ngogi in July 2020 at close range in Bama local government area of Borno State for refusing to grant him a welfare pass. He was earlier today sentenced to death by firing squad after he was found guilty at the court session held at the Malari Cantonment, Maiduguri. Jesse Tafida was there.
The army continues to battle the security challenges facing the country and at the same time ensuring all infraction of criminal intent are dealt with. This is to ensure all officers respect the rule of law as well as their rules of engagement. 7 soldiers await judgment at the General Court-Martial 7th Division Nigerian Army for crime ranging from murder to manslaughter. The president of the court, Brigadier General Arikpo Ikubi, finds Azuna Madubuchi, who serves under 202 Battalion, guilty of a count charge of murder, punishable under Section 104 subsection 2A of the Armed Forces Act 2004. The soldier is sentenced to death by firing squad, subject to Section 152 subsection 1B of the Armed Forces Act.
On this note, the sentence of this General Court-Martial on you, 16 NA/75/1343, Trooper Azuna Madubuchi, for the offense of murder is to suffer death, as provided under Section 106 of the Armed Forces Act. This sentence is to be carried out by firing squad.
6 other soldiers are prosecuted by the court on a 2-count charge of manslaughter and assault. The president of the court adjudges the accused to have betrayed the trust and confidence reposed in them by the Nigerian army by failing to protect the rights of the vulnerable in society. Counsel to the accused appeals to the president of the court to temper justice with mercy and give them a second chance. But the court, after listening to witnesses, sentences them. The sentences are subject to confirmation by superior authorities as provided by Section 151 subsection 1B of 152 subsection 1B of the Armed Forces Act 2004.
The Nigerian Army has always and particularly in the last few years focused on the protection of the fundamental human rights of every citizen and has emphasized this in all its engagements. The court observed that you acted in an unprofessional manner, which is unacceptable to the Nigerian Army.
This trial lingered for over 2 years before its final conclusion. The General Court-Martial 7th Division Nigerian Army says it will continue to deal decisively with anyone found wanting against their rules of engagement. Jesse Tafida, TVC News.